Welcome to Kuttichutties.
Hello Kutties! Today we are going to learn short vowel or sound words. First we learn letter O family words. Ox, ox. Ob, ob. Odd, odd. Op, op. Og, og. Oy, oy. Ot, ot. Ob, ob. Sob. S, O, B. Sob. Job. J, O, B. Job. Rob. R, O, B. Rob. Odd, odd. Rod. R, O, D. Rod. Pod. P, O, D. Pod. Cord. C, O, D. Cord. Op, op. Top. T, O, P. Top. Mop. M, O, P. Mop. Cop. C, O, P. Cop. Ox, ox. Fox. F, O, X. Fox. Ox. O, X. Ox. Box. B, O, X. Box. Og, og. Dog. D, O, G. Dog. Log. L, O, G. Log. Jog. J, O, G. Jog. Y, oy. Boy. B, O, Y. Boy. Toy. T, O, Y. Toy. Ought, ought. Hot. H, O, T. Hot. Caught. C, O, T. Caught. Lot. L, O, T. Lot.
Thank you for watching.